We'll guide you through how to make a shake transition on After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because shake transitions are widely used in video editing to make scene changes look energetic and dynamic. In Adobe After Effects, users want to quickly learn how to create camera shake or motion shake effects to improve action edits, music videos, and social media content. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place the clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position so the animation can begin. After that, move the playhead slightly forward on the timeline. Change the position value randomly by shifting the clip left, right, up, or down. A new keyframe will be created automatically for each change. Repeat this process for multiple frames so the position keeps changing quickly over time. Continue adjusting the position in small jumps to create a shaking motion. Increase the speed of movement by making the keyframes closer together so the shake becomes more intense. After creating the movement, add motion blur to the clip to make the shake look more natural and smooth. Enable motion blur in both the layer and timeline switches. Then adjust the intensity of the shake by changing how far each position shift moves between keyframes. Preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and watching the transition between clips. Make sure the shake effect feels fast and consistent during the overlap. Adjust keyframes if the movement feels too slow or too strong. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your shake transition is complete.